In this video, I will be disassembling this 2011 Porsche Cayenne Xenon headlight. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. The front bezel is connected to the bottom of the lens with a couple of T10 Torx screws. Both of the inner reflectors have two mounts at the bottom. I will remove the innermost reflector by sliding a screwdriver behind the mounts and popping them off. Next, I will pop the middle reflector off of its mounts using a screwdriver. Next, I can twist the middle reflector out. Next, I will remove this outer shroud. I will now use a pair of needle nose pliers to unclip this bottom corner mount. I will now use my needle nose pliers to unclip this upper mount. There is one wire harness connector on the back of the projector. I will disconnect it and pull the whole assembly out of the light. There is a tab on each side of the wire harness connector. I will release them and push the connector into the light. Next, I will release the ballast connector by pushing the tabs and pushing the connector into the light. Next, I simply need to pull the wire harness out of the light. The headlight is now empty. Next, I will remove the outer shroud by simply grabbing it and pulling it off. The projector is connected to the bracket using 4 T20 Torx screws. There is one wire harness connector on the rear of the projector. The projector cannot be pulled out. Next, I will remove the T10 Torx screws holding in the swivel motor. There's a single plastic clip on top holding the board in place. The projector is pressed together and cannot be easily disassembled and reassembled. There are two T15 screws holding on this side mount Bi-Xenon actuator. Here we can see the cutoff shield. It is a roller type that is meant to spin in place. This design allows this projector to be used in both left and right hand drive vehicles. As it's spun around, you can see the different shapes to allow it to work with the cutoff for right or left-hand drive vehicles. When the shield is in this position, it is the high beam for both left and right-hand drive vehicles. Here's the controller for the cutoff shield. Here's the board for the swivel motor. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.